Today, we're making something that's perfect for grilling season, a quick weeknight dinner, or even a fun party appetizer. We are talking about delicious, colorful, and super easy sausage and vegetable skewers. The great thing about these is how customizable they are. You can use your favorite sausage, whatever veggies you have in the fridge, and create a meal that everyone will love. So, if you're ready to make something seriously tasty, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about our ingredients. The star of the show, of course, is the sausage. I'm using a pre-cooked smoked chicken and apple sausage today. I love the slightly sweet and savory flavor it brings, and since it's already cooked, it makes our job even easier. You could use Italian sausage, bratwurst, or even a spicy andouille, whatever you prefer. We'll be cutting these into nice, bite-sized rounds, about an inch thick. This size is perfect for skewering and ensures they cook evenly with the vegetables. Next up, our veggies. A rainbow of vegetables not only looks beautiful, but also adds a ton of flavor and nutrients. I've got a classic combination here: red, yellow, and green bell peppers. Look at these vibrant colors. I'll also be using a red onion and some zucchini. For the peppers, I'm just going to chop them into 1-inch squares, similar in size to our sausage pieces. This helps everything cook at the same rate. For the red onion, I'll cut it into wedges and then separate the layers. And for the zucchini, I'll slice it into thick half-moons. Remember, you can swap these out for cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, or even chunks of pineapple for a sweet and savory twist. Now for the magic that ties it all together, the marinade. This is a simple but incredibly flavorful marinade that will coat our sausage and veggies, making them extra juicy and delicious on the grill. In this bowl, I'm going to combine some olive oil, which will help everything get a nice char without sticking. Then, I'll add a good squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. A couple of minced garlic cloves, because garlic makes everything better, and a mix of dried herbs. Today, I'm using dried oregano, basil, and a little bit of thyme. Finally, a pinch of salt and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. We'll just whisk this all together until it's well combined. The aroma is already incredible. Now, let's take our sausage, all of our beautiful chopped vegetables, and toss them right into our marinade. Let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to let the flavors really meld together. Okay, our ingredients have had some time to marinate and get friendly. Now we can start threading them onto the skewers. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but I like to create a nice pattern to make them look extra appealing. I'll start with a piece of bell pepper, then a piece of sausage, then some onion, some zucchini. Try to leave a little bit of space at the top and bottom to make them easy to handle. Alternating the colors and textures is what makes these so visually stunning. Now that all our skewers are assembled, it's time to cook them. You have a few options here. My favorite method is using an outdoor grill. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat. We want to get a nice sear without burning them. Place the skewers directly on the grates and cook for about 8 to 12 minutes, turning them every few minutes. You're looking for those beautiful grill marks and for the vegetables to be tender crisp. The sausage is already cooked, so we're just heating it through and getting it nicely charred. If you don't have an outdoor grill, don't worry. You can easily make these indoors. A grill pan on the stovetop works wonderfully. Just heat it over medium-high heat. Add a little oil and cook the skewers just like you would on an outdoor grill, turning them occasionally. Another option is to use your oven's broiler. Place the skewers on a baking sheet lined with foil and broil them for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Just keep a close eye on them because the broiler can cook things very quickly. And there you have it. Our sausage and vegetable skewers are perfectly cooked and ready to serve. Look at that beautiful char and how vibrant the colors still are. The aroma is just mouth-watering. I love to serve these right off the grill while they're hot. They're a complete meal on a stick, but they also pair wonderfully with a side of rice, a quinoa salad, or some warm pita bread. You could even drizzle them with a little extra lemon juice or a sprinkle of fresh parsley for an extra pop of freshness. These skewers are proof that simple, fresh ingredients can create an absolutely spectacular meal. They are so juicy, so flavorful, and so satisfying. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's one of my go-tos for a reason. It's quick, healthy, and endlessly adaptable. Let me know in the comments what your favorite sausage and veggie combinations are. I'm always looking for new ideas. Thank you so much for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!